Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies and explore the meteoric rise of Pepe Coin? Buckle up because today we're going to uncover the secrets behind this digital asset and answer the burning question on everyone's mind. How high can Pepe Coin really go? Now you might be wondering, what's all the buzz about Pepe Coin? Well, let me tell you, it's more than just a meme. Pepe Coin has captured the attention of investors worldwide with its explosive growth and undeniable potential. In recent months, Pepe Coin has been making headlines for its remarkable price surges, leaving many wondering if this is just the beginning of something even bigger. With the cryptocurrency market experiencing unprecedented volatility, it's no surprise that all eyes are on Pepe Coin. But what exactly is Pepe Coin and what sets it apart from other cryptocurrencies? Let's take a closer look. What is Pepe Coin? Pepe Coin, named after the iconic internet meme, is not your average digital currency. In 2016, a group of passionate enthusiasts came together to create Pepe Coin, a decentralized digital currency built on blockchain technology. Drawing inspiration from Pepe's playful and irreverent spirit, the creators of Pepe Coin set out to develop a coin that would not only pay homage to the beloved meme, but also serve as a serious contender in the world of finance. With its whimsical origins and grassroots development, Pepe Coin quickly captured the hearts and imaginations of crypto enthusiasts worldwide. What started as a simple meme soon evolved into a thriving community of believers, united by their love for Pepe and their shared vision of a decentralized future. Imagine a world where the power lies not in the hands of a select few, but in the hands of the community. That's exactly what Pepe Coin represents. Unlike traditional currencies that are controlled by central authorities like governments or banks, Pepe Coin is governed by its users. This means that every holder of Pepe Coin has a say in how it's used and developed, giving them a real stake in its success. But what truly sets Pepe Coin apart is its versatility and wide range of use cases. Let's break it down. Decentralized finance, DeFi applications. Picture this. You want to borrow money or earn interest on your savings, but without the hassle of dealing with banks or intermediaries. That's where DeFi comes in, and Pepe Coin is at the forefront of this financial revolution. With Pepe Coin, you can participate in lending and borrowing platforms, stake your coins to earn rewards, or even trade derivatives, all without relying on traditional financial institutions. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Now, you've probably heard about the craze surrounding NFTs, those unique digital assets that represent ownership of digital art, collectibles, and more. Well, Pepe Coin is right in the mix. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology, Pepe Coin enables users to create, buy, and sell NFTs securely and transparently. Whether you're a digital artist looking to monetize your work or a collector searching for rare Pepe-themed memorabilia, Pepe Coin has got you covered. Comparison with other meme coins. For beginners diving into the world of cryptocurrency, understanding the differences between Pepe Coin and other meme coins is essential. While meme coins may seem similar at first glance, each has its unique features and characteristics that set it apart. Let's compare Pepe Coin with some other popular meme coins. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is perhaps the most well-known meme coin, featuring the iconic Shiba Inu dog as its mascot. Like Pepe Coin, Dogecoin started as a joke but gained a massive following due to its strong community and widespread adoption. However, Dogecoin lacks the same level of focus on decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs as Pepe Coin. While both coins have passionate communities, Pepe Coin offers more diverse utility beyond being a simple digital currency. Shiba Inu, SHIB. Shiba Inu is another meme coin inspired by the Dogecoin phenomenon, featuring the same breed of dog in its branding. While Shiba Inu gained popularity for its low price and meme appeal, it has faced criticism for lacking tangible use cases beyond speculative trading. In contrast, Pepe Coin distinguishes itself by actively exploring applications in DeFi and NFTs, offering users more opportunities to engage with the ecosystem beyond mere speculation. The potential. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. How high can Pepe Coin really go? While no one can predict the future with certainty, there are several factors that could contribute to Pepe Coin's continued growth. Market demand. Like any asset, the price of Pepe Coin is largely influenced by supply and demand dynamics. As more investors and users become interested in Pepe Coin, the demand for it increases, potentially driving its price higher. Factors such as media attention, adoption by mainstream platforms, and positive sentiment within the crypto community can all contribute to increased demand for Pepe Coin. Utility and adoption. The value of Pepe Coin is also tied to its utility and adoption in real-world applications. If Pepe Coin continues to be integrated into various decentralized finance platforms, NFT marketplaces, and other innovative use cases, its utility value may increase, attracting more users and investors. Additionally, widespread adoption of Pepe Coin as a means of payment or store of value could further drive its price upwards. Technology and development. The ongoing development and improvement of Pepe Coin's underlying technology and ecosystem play a crucial role in its long-term growth potential. Updates such as scalability enhancements, security upgrades, and new features can increase confidence in Pepe Coin's reliability and functionality, ultimately impacting its price positively. Market sentiment and speculation. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility, often driven by investor sentiment and speculative trading. Positive news, partnerships, or developments related to Pepe Coin can lead to bullish sentiment and price rallies, while negative events or market trends may cause temporary price declines. It's essential for beginners to approach cryptocurrency investing with caution and to be aware of the risks associated with market speculation. While it's impossible to predict exactly how high Pepe Coin might reach in the future, understanding these factors can provide beginners with a foundation for evaluating its growth potential and making informed investment decisions. As with any investment, conducting thorough research, diversifying your portfolio, and seeking advice from financial experts are recommended practices. Pepe Coin price history and prediction. In early April 2023, the release of Pepe Coin, symbolized by a cartoonish green frog wearing a red cap with "Make Mimi Coins Great Again," sparked a trading frenzy. With a total supply of 420.69 trillion coins, Pepe Coin, trading under Pepe, surged in value, fueled by its mimetic power. However, prospects for Pepe Coin in 2024 appear promising, with expectations of improved trends due to anticipation of Bitcoin ETF approval. This anticipation could lead to a potential altcoin season later in 2024, resulting in a positive impact on Pepe Coin's price trend. In summary, the projected price range for Pepe Coin in 2024 is between 2,055 to 3,396, with an average price of approximately $2,000 from 426.98, according to Coinpedia. How to get involved. Now that you're intrigued by the potential of Pepe Coin, let's explore how you can get involved and start your journey into the world of cryptocurrency investing. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think, especially for beginners. The first step is to find a reputable cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy Pepe Coin. Think of these exchanges as digital marketplaces where you can trade different cryptocurrencies, just like you would stocks on a traditional stock exchange. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken are popular choices for beginners due to their user-friendly interfaces and wide selection of digital assets. Once you've selected an exchange that suits your needs, you'll need to create an account. This typically involves providing some basic personal information, such as your name, email address, and country of residence. Some exchanges may also require you to verify your identity to comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations. This process usually entails uploading a photo of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and possibly providing additional documentation to confirm your identity. After your account is set up and verified, you can fund it with fiat currency, like USD, EUR, or GBP, or other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Most exchanges offer multiple deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and even PayPal in some cases. Simply choose the option that works best for you and follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. Once your account is funded, you're ready to buy Pepe Coin. Simply navigate to the trading section of the exchange, search for Pepe Coin, often abbreviated as Pepe, and place your buy order. You can choose to buy Pepe Coin using the fiat currency or cryptocurrency you deposited into your account. Just enter the amount of Pepe Coin you want to buy and confirm your order. Voila! You're now the proud owner of Pepe Coin. It's important to remember that cryptocurrency investing carries risks, so it's essential to do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, consider using security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and storing your cryptocurrency in a secure wallet to protect your investment. So there you have it. Getting started with Pepe Coin is as simple as finding a reputable exchange, creating an account, funding it with fiat currency or cryptocurrency, and buying Pepe Coin. So are you ready to join the Pepe Coin revolution? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of crypto, now is the perfect time to get involved. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be part of something truly extraordinary. Thanks for tuning in to our deep dive into Pepe Coin. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for notifications. And as always, leave a comment below with your thoughts on Pepe Coin and where you think it's headed next.